Hey guys, good morning. This is Travis Martin here with Trade Confident. Guys, let's go over Bitcoin. My goal of this video is to show you guys, are we going up or are we going down for the rest of the week? Let's take a quick look at this before we dive into that. Did you guys realize Bitcoin in the last few hours actually lost $3.11 billion of market cap? But the nice thing about this is in a 24-hour period, is that we've actually recouped this pretty quickly to $1.97 billion recouped back into the market cap. Okay, what is that going to do for us when we look at Bitcoin? Well, we're going to keep this really simple on this analysis. If you guys have these indicators, they're in the description. By the way, I'll share with you guys a testimonial of a guy doing over 300% with our metrics here. Please watch that because he did use leverage, but I think you'll enjoy seeing that testimonial. So here's what I'm watching, guys. We're looking at the TC top and bottom finder as well as the TC market reversals. Guys, this did a super good job at calling the top up here with a couple sell signs. I want to take you over here before we jump in a little bit further. TradeConfident.io, go to the crypto charts. Let's take a look at this. We ended up getting two sell signals up here. It's on the daily time frame, and whenever you guys get two sell signals coupled together like this, I really just want you guys to look for the market to start dropping back down. And that's exactly what we got. On top of that, I really enjoy how this actually called literally the top candle here before we saw the move back down in Ethereum. And you guys can view this on all of the crypto charts. We have all the top 20 cryptos as well as the top 20 stocks. If you guys get a membership, it was $95. We lowered it to $75. You'll get access to every single call here. On top of this, before I get into looking at the actual pattern that honestly is bearish right now, but we're seeing some bullish momentum, real quickly talking about our scalping trade calls, I did call out a trade call for you guys on August 18th, so you guys definitely want to be looking into that. This is for members only, so once you guys have a membership, you'll be able to access that, but we are currently 440% more than the S&P 500. So guys, all just amazing good stuff over here. So make sure you guys subscribe and you guys can access that. Okay, real quick. Sorry, guys. I have to show this to you just because I think it was insane before we get in here. So this guy bought the new indicators that we have. He's like, I bought the indicators like 3 to 4 days ago, and I have literally gained about 450. Sorry, guys. I said 300. 450% because I used leverage on the 30-minute time frame. Y'all need to buy it and check it out for yourselves. So thing I like most about this, guys, is check it out for yourselves. And I'll be showing you guys more data about this, which we're going to transition over to you right now. This guy actually did $2,000 on our last scalping trade call. So just showing you guys some proof that we just love working with you guys, and we're doing really well. We've never lost a scalping trade call, and we're currently in one right now. So if you guys are a member, definitely take a look at that. All right. Sorry for the long intro, but that's how we make money in crypto. Now you can too. All right, let's take a look at this. You guys saw the metrics over here that I was just showing you guys, but once you guys have the indicator, we can actually do something really snazzy over here is we can go to lower time frames and take a look at this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take everybody follow me with this. If you guys are following me in the analysis, we're going to go to the 4-hour time frame on Bitcoin. So here's the dealio, guys. We ended up selling quite a bit of our crypto account at this high peak up here because we got a sell signal. Well, happened to turn out to be a really good place to sell. We actually ended up buying back into crypto that I called this out a couple of days ago for you guys, and we got a really good entry back into crypto here, and this just allowed us to buy a whole lot more coins than we had before. Guys, the name of the game right now is to buy and sell and buy again, is to acquire as many coins as possible in this market while it's low before we see some really massive parabolic moves. We need to be doing that over and over again. I'm calling all this out for you guys, okay? Let me take you to the point of the video, and it's this bearish sign that I know you guys are looking at, but I want to talk about on this video here. Let me take this off here just for 1 second. Here's what we're looking at on the 4-hour time frame for Bitcoin. We've definitely got these impulse move down, and we're following this impulse move down by what is called a bear flag. Now, this bear flag has technically broken to the downside, but it recouped really fast. And this is part of the $1.97 billion that is recouping, because if you guys recall what I just showed you in the beginning, this is a 24-hour chart, which you guys can see right up here. So a one-day chart. This has been happening in the last few hours. So that recoup of $1.97 billion, I believe, is this move right here. So here's a thought on this, guys. Yes, we could see a little bit more of a move back down on this bear trap, and I do believe we can come down here and target the structure low on Bitcoin, probably at around 23,200, I would say. If we do break that, I do believe the next support level is going to be forming somewhere around this structure low at about, I would say, lowest 22,300, maybe pushing us to 22,600. Here's the deal, guys. I honestly don't look at supports too much more. I just let the indicator indicator do the job for us. Like the amount of times this has literally perfectly called the top of the market. It's like, this is kind of insane. There's no better sell signal than this right here because it's the top of the wick. Do you guys see this? The top candle. This is top candle as well, top candle as well, top candle as well, top candle and top candle. Okay. So what I'm watching for is for if the market's going to go back down here, I'm simply just watching for another buy signal. If that happens, we will enter more money back into the market and we will simply just accumulate more in our account over here, which is currently up $6,328. Our long-term holding account, guys, is currently sitting at $79,852, which we are trying to bring back from a $150,000 break even. A lot of people lost money. So what I want you guys to watch for is get these indicators in the description. If you've previously purchased our bundle pack, please email us, guys. We'll give you a big discount. On top of that, we're sending an email out to everybody. If you've ever purchased any of our individual indicators like the trend, exhaustion, price, swell, money flow, anything like that, guys, please email us in because we actually have something that we're going to do for you. We're going to give you guys a discount by just simply upgrading you to the bundle pack, pay the difference, and then we'll give you guys the actual discount on the new indicator. So we're literally going to give you guys like the cheapest price possible, no matter if you purchased 1, 2, 3 indicators or a whole bundle pack. So just email us at btradeconfident@gmail.com today and we'll hook you guys up. So ending this video, I want to make this short, guys. All I'm doing is I'm just watching for this next buy signal to go off, but I have this feeling because this candle did not actually move down further and we did actually bounce up so fast, this may actually be, guys, a little bear trap to the downside and we could start seeing moves back up here really soon. So definitely be watching that. So wrapping this video up, guys, watch for the buy signal for the next biggest move up on Bitcoin and then watch for the sell signal for the next biggest move down. We're keeping things super simple. Don't make trading complicated. Let the algorithm do it for you. On the daily time frame here, we'll end with this. Watch for the next buy signal here. The last few buy signals we got literally were absolutely incredible. If you ever get a strong buy or you get a regular buy, watch for that market move up and you guys can set up alerts on all of these indicators here. You can get an alert for the sell, get an alert for the buy as well as a strong buy, and you guys can do that over here. I have 60 alerts set up on my charts actually, so I don't miss a thing. All right, guys, have a good one. Enjoy the indicators. They're in the description. You guys can snag them right here with the link. Definitely come over, get a membership because we are scalping the markets. We got a live trade open right now if you guys want to check that out. And we are going to try to target 480% more than the S&P 500, which I'm hoping we can close this by this weekend on the trade. So members, check out the trade. I called it for you guys, and we'll see you in the next video. God bless you guys. Have an amazing, amazing day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, bye-bye, guys.